Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Integral of the form integration dx divided by a plus b sin x, comma integration dx divided by a plus b cos x, integration dx divided by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. In this form, put or use integration formulae. Sin x is equals to 2 tan x upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x upon 2. Cos x is equals to 1 minus tan square x upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x upon 2. Then put t is equals to tan x upon 2. Differentiate dx is equals to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Then sin x is equals to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equals to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Then using this substitution in the above form, for example, integration dx divided by 3 minus 2 sin x. According to trigonometric formulae, sin x is equals to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Put t is equals to tan x upon 2 and dx is equals to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Substituting these values in above example, I is equals to integration 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square whole divided by 3 minus 2 into 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Coefficient of these two take common outside 2. Integration dt divided by 1 plus t square divided by LCM 3 plus 3t square minus 4t divided by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square get cancelled. Then I is equals to 2 integration dt divided by 3t square minus 4t plus 3. 3, which is coefficient of t square, take common outside. Then 2 by 3 integration dt divided by t square minus 4 upon 3t plus 1. Then determine last term. Last term is equals to middle term square divided by 4 into first term. First term, coefficient of first term is 1. Therefore, 4 by 3 bracket square divided by 4. The result is 4 divided by 9. 4 get cancelled. Adding and subtracting 4 by 9 in denominator of the example. Integration 2 upon 3 integration dt divided by t square minus 4 by 3t plus 4 by 9 minus 4 upon 9 plus 1 is equals to 2 upon 3 integration dt divided by first three terms are perfect square. Therefore, t minus 2 by 3 bracket square minus 4 by 9 plus 1. LCM is 9. 9 minus 4, 5 plus 5 upon 9. Then using formula integration dx divided by x square plus a square is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a is equals, then I is equals to 2 upon 3 1 upon root 5 divided by 3 is the value of a. Tan inverse t minus 2 by 3 divided by root 5 divided by 3 plus c. Substitute value of t. 3 get cancelled. 2 upon root 5 tan inverse 3 tan x upon 2 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus c is the final result. Next example, integration dx divided by 5 plus 4 cos x. According to trigonometric formulae, cos x is equals to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square, where t is equals to tan x upon 2 and dx is equals to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Then I is equals to integration 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square whole divided by 5 plus 4 into bracket 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Then integration 2 constant and coefficient take common outside dt divided by 1 plus t square whole divided by 5 plus 5t square plus 4 minus 4t square divided by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square get cancelled. 2 integration dt divided by 5t square minus 4t square t square. Then 5 plus 4 9 plus 9 is equals to 2 into 1 upon 3 tan inverse t upon 3 plus c. Substitute value of t. 2 upon 3 tan inverse tan x upon 2 divided by 3 plus c is the final result. Sometimes example containing as integration dx divided by a plus b sin 2x or integration dx divided by a plus b cos 2x. At that time, put trigonometric formulae sin 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x is equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Then put t is equals to tan x. When we differentiate this, we get dx is equals to dt divided by 1 plus t square. Using this substitution in above example and then solve integration dx divided by 3 plus 2 sin 2x and integration dx divided by 5 plus 6 cos 2x. These two examples are homework. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.